Code Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. What do you think of that intro? I know you thought it was good, right? Oh, it's Squid Game, okay. Oh, I don't think I'm too good at Squid Game, but anyway, we're playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. So, yeah. Don't press the button, you know, bro? Even though we did press the button, but why did we press the button? I don't know. But let's see what we could buy, maybe. Chalky milk. Okay. Let's save up. Okay. Oh, did I press it? Close to the light. Wait, am I the light? Oh, I'm not the light. My head's just shining. So that's only reason why. Oh, that person died. This way. I bet it goes this way. Oh my god, my head, it looks so funny because I'm bald and my head's just shining. Oh, where do we go? Oh. How did I survive? Oh, I won. Okay, okay. What happened? Is it like freeze tag or watch out for the mummy? Oh, that's the mummy. I was on low health. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. I was on low health. But low health though. Ah. Come on. Just die. Just die already. Yes. Button presser. What am I the to win? Ooh. Okay. Get out of here. Oh, I was the one that get out of there, you know? OP got the most points. Great. I love Babby. I am not letting I love Babby win, though. I love Babby will not win on my watch. Yes, let's go, Captain. Come on, Captain Crunch. Let's go. Let's go, Captain Crunch. Come on, bro. You got this. My man, you got this, bro. Bro, you got this. Okay, I guess the strategy's just to win. Just to jump, you know? Just to jump, bro. Oh, was that Captain Babby who killed me? Because if it was, I'm gonna be angry. Nope, it was pro player. That's not pro because I just knocked him out of his ballpark. See you later, alligator. Haha, alligator. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. Okay, yeah. Captain Crunch is gonna win. Unless I win, no J-Lo or whatever your name was, I'm gonna win. Whoever's up there at the last second wins. That's what I say. And it's gonna be me. Boom, I win. I won. I just won. Boom. Right there. Let's go. I'm just the last person up here. I just won. L, Bozer. Whee! I'm so good. Y'all noobs. Bruh. That was easy. I'm like spam clicking the button. Because why not? Oh yeah. Wanted to tell you guys, I'm not gonna post on the weekends. only because weekends are they're a nice time to relax. And you know, relax is nice. So I use the weekend to relax. So sorry about that. Whee! Why does this person kinda look from me from up high? No, I will press it. I did it. What do we get? Grab the correct color. Oh no, am I gonna be out of here? Ha. Yellow. L. Bowser. Is that Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast? Is that a beast? Mr. Beast? Oh, I just lost. Oh no. That's not good. I'm just going to get them up out of your head, man. Wait, what? No. This can't happen to me. How could this happen to me? No. Haha, loser. Mr. Beast just won his own challenge. He just won $10,000. He won $10,000. Oh, Mr. Beast did not win. Come on. Oh no, it's Captain. Yeah! Mr. Beast won his challenge. And he's green, the color of Mooney. $10,000 for Mr. Beast. Hee. Good job, Mr. Beast. You won. Ooh, I'ma press it. I just did. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go to the outside because, yeah, it seems like it'd be easier on the outside. Whee! Oh, I won. Yeah. Gotta go fast. Sonic Speed Simulator. Tell me if you guys want me to see me play Sonic Speed Simulator. Sonic says, please know what are they gonna do to their parents? Gotta go fast. Look at those legs. Those legs are gonna be muscled up. How did I win oh my gosh, when did I get 100 coins? Oh, it was my boost thing. You know. Oh, I got it. Haha, Bowser. Think fast? Oh! I did not, in fact, think fast. So, well then. Bozo. Bozo. It'd be nice to have gotta go fast right now. Oh, that's not fair. Exploiter. Gotta go fast, you noob. Imagine having to use that. Wow. Literally imagine. Bro. Honestly, red might win. Not gonna lie, bro. Bowser. Gotta go fast. Come on, gotta go fast, Well, obviously, I love Kabe, so it's gonna win. Kabe was gonna win. I love Kabe. What? Grab the shape that is asked for. Hexagon. Find a green cannon. No. Excuse me? Excuse me. Find a lime green wedge. Dark blue set. I found it! Oh, I won. Captain Floss. Cotton Candy or whatever your name was again. Hey! Hey, man. I'm gonna sit down and watch these. What just happened to me? Are you serious? Are you serious? Get. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, are you okay, ma'am? Miss, are you okay? Are you okay mentally and physically? Or you? I just asked you. Literally, bruh. This one, and then I'll also put out this one on it. Watch me do it. Watch me do it, bro. Who won? I wants to know. I'm standing on top of the thing. Oh, that's what that. Huh? Huh? They died. Okay, Jump! Okay, we're good. We're all good. We jump! That's what I thought. Okay, this is the last round. Oh. Well, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see next. Goodbye.